The 1967 Ferguson Super Sport is one of Canada's rarest handcrafted sports cars. It was designed and built by machinist Ross Ferguson and his wife Blanche Ferguson after the cancellation of the famous Avro Arrow program in 1959. Ross had worked at Orenda Engines, producing tooling for the Arrow's advanced Iroquois turbojet engines. When the project ended, he redirected his engineering skills into creating a unique high-performance automobile. The project took 8 years to complete. Ross designed a lightweight tubular chassis with a drilled X-shaped crossmember and independent suspension using heavily modified McPherson struts. The car featured front longitudinal torsion bars, a rear-mounted transaxle for nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and inboard disc brakes with Dunlop racing calipers. Every engineering decision emphasized strength, low weight, and balance. Power came from a factory Ford Hypo 289 cubic inch V8, producing approximately 271 horsepower. The engine drove through a 3-speed manual gearbox mounted at the rear. The Ferguson weighed only about 1,800 pounds, 816 kilograms, giving it outstanding performance for its era. Almost every component was handmade. Ross cast custom 15-inch magnesium wheels, fabricated the exhaust system, created the steering wheel, badges, and many mechanical parts. The fiberglass body was styled jointly by Ross and Blanche, inspired by Ferrari, Jaguar, and AC sports cars. Blanche completed much of the fiberglass work after Ross developed an allergy to the resin chemicals. The Super Sport debuted in 1967 and quickly gained attention wherever it appeared. It won major awards at the 1969 Toronto Motorama and the London Autorama, including Best Engineered Car, Best Ford-Powered Vehicle, and overall first place. Despite its success, Ross had little interest in commercial production. For him, the challenge of designing and building the car was more important than public recognition. During the 1970s, Ross shifted his attention to designing and building aircraft, including a modified PL Super Diamond and a 2/3 scale Supermarine Spitfire replica. The Ferguson Super Sport spent decades stored in his garage, receiving only occasional restorations. After Ross Ferguson's death in 2019, the car was purchased by Ontario mechanic Chris Atkins in 2020. Together with the Ferguson family, he has preserved its originality, corrected myths surrounding its history, and displayed it at major automotive events. Today, the 1967 Ferguson Super Sport remains an extraordinary example of Canadian engineering, craftsmanship, and innovation.